Hi, I'm Bjorn. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the turkey bone leftovers into a refreshing broth. This broth can be used in all the dishes where you normally would use chicken broth. So let's get right into it. Start by filling up your Instant Pot with all the leftover turkey pieces, bones, meat, and skin. Next, you add carrots, celery, and onion, cut into chunks, about a cup of each, and a couple of thyme sprigs and sage leaves. Add 1 teaspoon black peppercorn and 2 bay leaves. Add 2 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Lastly, you add water up to the fill line on the Instant Pot. We used about 10 cups of water. Make sure you don't overfill the Instant Pot. Secure the lid and close the vent. What recipes have you used the broth for? Let us know in the comments below. Pressure cook for an hour and a half and then quick release when done. When the pressure has been released and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Use kitchen tongs to remove the large turkey pieces. Then use a fine mesh strainer and strain the broth into a bowl or jar. You can drink the broth as is, just let it cool for a few minutes first. Or you can refrigerate or freeze the broth for later use. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.